Hi there. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain how to heal leaky gut and IBS naturally. So our protocols are backed by peer-reviewed scientific studies showing what works. We never share recommendations that aren't backed by scientific studies. So these are really customized protocols. Everyone's really different. Everyone has different needs for optimal health, and that's why we're getting such strong results is it's really customized. We can guarantee symptom progress or you get your money back. Intestinal permeability creates health problems and symptoms in all major systems of the body. So intestinal permeability, also known as leaky gut. So leaky gut's the slang term. And so I'm Luke Wells. I'm a functional medicine practitioner and lab specialist. I've helped thousands of people, including myself, get rid of symptoms with gut-related issues. We have a lot of testimonials, including videos, if anyone's interested. So leaky gut is enlarged holes in the intestines. So everyone has holes in their intestines, but leaky gut, it's basically enlarged holes in the intestines. So what's going on is the bloodstream gets flooded with toxins. So when you eat food, it goes down your esophagus, into the stomach, into the small intestine, and you're absorbing it through your intestinal walls, which creates 100% of your physical body. So dietary nutrients are creating 100% of your physical body. And if there's bigger holes than there should be in the intestinal walls, then there's a lot of stuff leaking through. There's toxins leaking through and creating systemic inflammation in your body. And that's what is creating so many problems in other parts of the body that I'll go into here. So leaky gut is one of the root causes for weight loss resistance, something else that I work with people on. When you have gut issues, it's going to make it way harder to lose weight. Leaky gut's one of the root causes for constipation, diarrhea, gas, bloating. It's one of the root causes for IBS, Crohn's, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, celiac disease. It also plays into a lot of mental issues like brain fog, being mentally cloudy, forgetfulness, ADHD, autism. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of people get rid of severe mental imbalances by healing their gut. The gut-brain connection is huge. It doesn't have like a small or medium influence on our brain. The gut has a huge influence on the brain because the gut is it's our lifeline to what creates our body. So our gut, when it's out of balance, it wants to tell the brain that things are not okay. But when you heal the gut, it stops sending those red flag signals to the brain. Leaky gut's one of the root causes for low energy and chronic fatigue as well. Because if you're not absorbing as many nutrients in the gut, it's not going to create the cells properly that create our energy. It plays into anxiety and depression in big ways. So if you're having any of these symptoms I'm going over, leaky gut, healing the gut is a critical part to optimal health. It plays into skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, acne. Our skin is an immune organ. It's our biggest immune organ, and 70% of the immune system relies on the gut. So the root issue is healing the gut in a lot of ways. Leaky gut needs to be addressed to get strong and sustainable results with autoimmune issues like Hashimoto's, which is a thyroid disease, Graves, lupus, MS, celiac. Over 50 million people have autoimmune disease. 1/6 of Americans have autoimmune disease. Leaky gut needs to be addressed to get strong, sustainable results with all of these different joint issues. So joint issues in the neck or the hands or the back. All these itises are all joint issues, and it's all from inflammation in the gut in large part. Most disease dysfunction starts in the gut. Not everything, but most. So leaky gut is a major precursor to the epidemic of disease going on in America for chronic disease. 99% of the country hasn't heard of the studies showing what heals IBS and leaky gut yet, because the studies take decades to reach the masses, if at all. A lot of these studies don't even reach the masses. So what we do is we test with objective testing. We don't guess. We test for lack of deficiencies, for toxicities in the body. We help people get rid of the toxicities. We test for sensitivities. We make it so you can eat more food overall. We can heal sensitivities and take care of allergies and get a lot of improvement with that. And overall, we get it to where you can eat more food overall. Most people end up wasting time and tons of money on stuff that isn't helping them and sometimes even hurting them. They're trying, supplements online or, do-it-yourself stuff online, and it's just a shot in the dark. It leads to more stress a lot of the time, depression, eventually giving up on your health. None of those, and why is that? It's because none of those methods are based on personalized, specific data from lab testing. So we get you easy, quick, objective lab testing and create a customized protocol for you. We offer one-on-one support with the replies to questions you may have within a day, usually 2 days at the most. And keep in mind, high-quality healthcare for chronic disease, which is frequent and recurring disease in the USA, is not covered by insurance, nor is high-quality preventative medicine. So it's important to realize that to get strong results, you need to pay out of pocket. America's main healthcare system is frustrating, I know, but the good part is we can get you really good results. Acute medical emergencies and emergency room care, insurance can help with that, but insurance companies don't get people to optimal health. So I can offer a free discovery call where we can see if we're a good fit and whether our gut protocol makes sense for you. So I look forward to chatting with you soon. Thanks.